Hi, welcome to Tailored by Naylor Creative Art Studio. I'm Jessica. Let's get started.
Okay, so today we're going to draw Hello Kitty. I've gotten a lot of requests that you want to draw Hello Kitty, so we're going to draw a simple Hello Kitty. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is draw her head. Her head is pretty much just a rounded, like a curve like that. And we're going to stop at the top. And so up here for her first ear is basically, it's kind of like a pointed heel like that. All right, and then we're going to draw a little bit of the top of her head like that, but then stop. And then right here we're going to come in and draw a circle for the first part of her bow, and then draw kind of a sideways candy corn, but it doesn't really have the point that would be right here because this circle part is in the way. All right, and then the same thing on this side. It's like a sideways candy corn. And then right here on both sides is a circle. And then we're just gonna bring her other ear up and then behind the bow like that. All right, for her eyes are just two sideways ovals. There's one, and then the other one goes about right there. All right, her nose is a sideways oval like that. And then she has three whiskers on each side. So one of them is up high, one is in the middle, and then there's one right here. All right, and then you do the same thing on this side. There's one right here, there, and then there. All right, so that is it for her head. For her body is just, I guess it's kind of like a triangle, but we're missing the top. So draw two lines coming down on both sides, and then we're just going to connect them with a curved line at the bottom like that. All right, next is her feet. Her feet, you just bring this same line down and then curve it like a U and bring it up into this trapezoid shape. And then do the same thing on the other side. And just connect it like that. All right, next is her arms. So her arms, we're just gonna draw two lines coming out of both sides like that. And then we're drawing a line coming straight back into her body on both of them. All right, next is her hand. So we're gonna bring the line down a little bit, and then we're gonna give her a thumb. Bring it down on this side, give her a thumb, and then you're just drawing a curve coming back to her body. On this side, the same thing, a curve coming back to her body. Underneath her head is a U shape like that to kind of give her the little overalls that she wears. And then on both sides is a circle. Those are her buttons. And that's pretty much it for Hello Kitty. So Hello Kitty, her real name is Kitty White. She was created in 1974. Her birthday is November the 1st. There's a whole theme park named after her that is based around her called Puroland. One of her famous quotes is, "You can never have too many friends." She doesn't have a mouth, or the original one didn't have a mouth because they didn't want her to necessarily have to talk through language or talk through words. They wanted her to talk through her actions, and they felt like she should speak from the heart. All right, so that is pretty much it for our Hello Kitty. I'm going to go to a time lapse of me coloring her. Also pay attention to these pictures over here in the tailor station for ideas on how you can tailor yours to your liking. This is the Hello Kitty with the original colors, the blue overalls, a yellow shirt, and a red bow. I also drew her hand out like that. You could draw whatever you want in her hand. You could draw your favorite food. You could draw a painter's easel like this that has different colored paints. You could do the pink Hello Kitty. You could decide to draw just her head. You can put it on a card if you want to tell a teacher thank you, or your parents or sisters or someone thank you. You could make a Hello Kitty card. Just tailor it to whatever you like. All All right, I'm gonna go to a time-lapse video of me coloring it. All right, and so that is it for our Hello Kitty. I hope you enjoyed drawing Hello Kitty with me. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any Tailored by Naylor videos. Thank you. Bye.